So here we are on the Ferguson Club stand here, 165 there. Got front weights on these as well. Make it easier on uneven ground. And if you're towing a heavy implement, there we are, 165 there, 135, 35X, and also looking back through 35 there as well, we have, there we are, the T20, there, the petrol TVO, there we are. Tractor vapor oil, in other words, there we are. Registered for road use yet, so it just shows that the number plate does not show its age. There we are. Bought from a friend who found it abandoned in a buy-in on Exmoor, a long way away, where it had stood for 30 years. Now, at the age of approximately 68, works on a small holding used for saw bench, chain harrowing, rolling and hay turning. And also a few charger row runs, there we are. Some worn out bits have been replaced, but otherwise left unrestored, there we are. Looking for a front grille here. To replace the makeshift guard, there we are, so we just put that on for the time being. There we are. I can't see a number plate on that one. There's only one. There we are. 543 NRB. There another T20. There's a box on that one as well. Another T20. Another one there. We are slightly different colour there. And the T20. 135. There we are. All part of the Ferguson Club. Oh. And the yellow Ferguson 35. Now that one is the 35X, there we are. The T20, 65 over there, and we have the 595 here from the 1970s, so a later era when things got bigger. Of course, been progressively getting bigger ever since. 1960s there. Another T20, there we are. This is the Ferguson Club. You can actually join the club here. There we are. 1966 Ferguson 130. And the information about the club here. There we are. FergusonClub.com. The camaraderie going on over there. Having a cup of tea there, no doubt. A few of the club members and other tractors here as well. Here at Castle Combe Rally.